Well, hello there and good morning, fifth graders. Today is the most awesome day of the week. It's finally Friday. Yes, today is May 8th, Friday, May 8th of 2020. That is amazing. You're just a few minutes away from resting, relaxing the whole weekend. No more work. So let's get down to business. But you already know before everything starts, first things first. What's up? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing great. Um, Remember, not go out, wash your hands, stay safe. And let's get down to business. Today, we're going to be working with two things: phonology, and also, we're going to be working with nothing more, nothing less than the one and only, the most beautiful STEM. Yes, I love STEM. So we're going to be working with phonology and we're going to be working with STEM. Understood? Good. Now, let me tell you the pages that we're going to be working with. There are not a lot of pages. Probably you're gonna say like, oh yes, they are a lot of pages, teacher. You're a liar. No, don't worry. There are not a lot of pages. They sound like a lot, but the work is not that much. For today, like I said, it's phonology. We're gonna be working pages 23 to 25. Okay, and then STEAM, we're gonna be working page 147 and page 148. Let's get down to business. Let me share my screen with you real super duper fast. Voila! Page 23, and it says using our words. Remember, we're already working with new vocabulary from lesson 2, and we're using new words. And it says guide the leprechaun to the correct pot of gold. Match the definition with the correct words from your list. So we have the words from here. We have regretted, fool, cobbling, G, dash, leprechaun, disappeared, the words that they're asking you. And you have 8 definitions. A fun dance, putting together, felt sorry about something, the way to get to a place, ran in a hurry, went out of sight, small people who hide gold, tricked. And all you have to do is join them with a line. Oh, I don't know, let's suppose we're going to say route or regretted or fooled, dashed, and you have to use it and put it together with a line. Uh, the idea is that you use different colors so we don't get all tangled up, okay? Use different colors for each word and each sentence. Remember, the idea is that all of them get matched with a word. All the definitions need to be matched with a word. Understood? Good. Then, games on, we skip it. You're gonna have homeschooling. You already know how to do homeschooling. You have to listen to the track and then write the words in the order that they're asking you. Track is for lesson number 2. And obviously, phonology report, you already know, mom, dad, whoever is there with you, has to tick if you did it excellent, very good, good, or if it needs practice. Understood? Good. That's great. After that, we have to do dictation. The dictation is up to mom or dad. Sorry, I moved too much. The dictation is up to mom and dad, okay? They're going to choose the order of the words to dictate, and they have to dictate all the words from lesson 2. That's pretty much all the work for phonology. I told you it's quite easy. And then we move to STEAM. STEAM, okay. Remember that I have always told you that I love to teach you about many things that happen here on Earth, about the universe, about the space, about the stars, everything that I know, I love to teach it to you. So it says in here, what do you think? Before we start, I suggest you watch the little video so you get an idea of what is the things that we're going to be seeing right now in this page. And it's asking you, answer the questions as best as you can. If you don't know the answer to a question, take your best guess. I don't want you to be silent. I need you to think of an answer, even if it's correct or not. Just say what you think, okay? And it says, number one, why is the sun brighter in the sky during the day than the stars in the sky at night? Why is the sun in the morning so bright? And why are the stars not so, even if it's at night? A, the sun is much larger than the other stars. Yes, could be not. Remember what I have told you. Our sun is young. Remember the comparison video that we saw at school? The different sizes of the stars? Is our sun really big or not? Try to remember it. You saw it in the video. Earth is much closer to the sun than to other stars. That is true. That one is true. We're closer to our sun than to any other star that we see in the night sky. That is actually true. The sun is the newest star in the universe, so it is the brightest. Is that true? Is the newest? That means no other new star has born before the sun or after the sun. The sun is the newest one. We just appeared, boom. Use your common sense. So in here, what do you think it is? Why we can see the sun so bright in the morning and the stars not so much? Give me your best guess, okay? I don't need you to write it down. Just think it and tell mom, hey mom, what do you think about this? Hey dad, what do you think about this? Look at it. It says this. What do you think? Why? Why mom? Why dad? And then discuss it. Talk about it with mom and dad. It's going to be entertaining. It's going to be fun because maybe your idea is different from mom's idea. Maybe dad's idea is different from both of you. Who knows who's right? Maybe the three of you have something right, something wrong. At the end, you will need to search for it, okay? Then, number two, why does the amount of sunlight during the day decrease or increase depending on the season? Why? Why is the sun so bright in spring and summer, but in fall and winter, not so much? It's something that you have already seen in geography before, in science before, in third grade, second grade, fourth grade. It has to do something with this movement. Okay, just remember. Imagine this is the earth. And remember that it not only does this, but it also does this around someone. So that affects, okay? Careful in there. I already gave you the answers without saying the answers. Draw your answer. You have to draw your answer in here. Then it says here, the stars look like they are in the same place in the night every night. True or false? Are the stars always there at the same place? Try it at night. Go out tonight, check the stars. Then go out tomorrow, check the stars again, and see if they are in the same place. The earth moving around the sun creates day and night. When the earth moves around the sun, it creates day and night. Or is it when it rotates that creates day and night? Careful in there. Use your imagination, use your knowledge. You already know these answers. Then, after that, it says circle one of the questions that or statements that you would like to know more about. That we're not gonna do that. After that, we go to the new vocabulary that we're gonna learn. I suggest that you listen to track 35. Track 35. Track 35, why? Because it's going to have the new words for the vocabulary and also their definition. Let's check the words. It says northern hemisphere, the half of the earth above the equator. southern hemisphere, the half of the earth below the equator. Equator, an invisible line that runs east and west around the sun. Axis, an image, an imagine, sorry, an imaginary straight line on which an object or body rotates. My kids, that tends to happen a lot of times, okay? Sometimes your brain is too fast and your mouth is too slow compared to what you're thinking. You want to say it so fast and you start, okay? Stuttering. That is called stuttering. You're like, don't worry, it's normal. To me, it happens a lot. I try to speak so fast, faster than my brain, but my brain is faster, and I'm start stuttering. Like and that's what just happened. Okay, so be careful. Try to speak slow. Don't do like me. Don't be like me. Okay, so axis, again, an imaginary straight line on which an object or bodies rotate. Rotates, spins around on an axis. Day, a full rotation of the earth happens once every 24 hours. Daylight, hours between the sunrise and the sunset. Revolution, to make one complete circle around an object. Let's go down. Stars, objects in the sky made of burning gas that give off light. And constellations, group of stars that form different shapes. I need you to listen to the words, listen to the definition. You already know, repeat it so you can get a better pronunciation and you don't have the stuttering problem like I do. Okay, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, I told you you're just a few minutes away to finish the work of today. That's all the work of today. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. It's Friday. I gave you extremely easy work today. As you can see, the video is short. It's not that big today because you don't have that much work. So let's summarize all that you have to do today. Phonology, you're gonna be working with 3 pages. Pages from the page number 23 to the page number 25. Page 23, you have different words in gold spots and you have their definitions in the middle. You have to join them, you have to match them using lines. Use different colors, okay? So we don't get all tangled. Use different colors so we can know which word goes with which definition, okay? Then you have homeschooling. You have to listen to the track of lesson 2 so you can do homeschooling. Mom or dad, whoever is with you, is going to check if you do it excellent, good, needs practice, whatever. And then dictation. Mom or dad, whoever is with you, is going to dictate the words of lesson 2 in any order that they want. Remember, if you have a word wrong, you have to write it correctly next to the word that you had incorrect. That is the work for phonology. The work for STEAM, you're gonna be working with some questions about the sun and the stars. Why is the sun brighter in the morning? Why are the stars not so bright at night? Are the stars in the same place? Is the sun bigger or newer than any other stars? And that kind of stuff. You need to remember all the things that we have seen. All this stuff, I have shown it to you in videos. I have drawn it in the blackboard. I have told you about it many times before. Okay, so try to remember. And then the last part is learning new vocabulary. Daylight, we're gonna learn what is rotate, what is axis, what is the equator, the southern and northern hemisphere, all this stuff, all this new vocabulary. You have to listen to the track, you have to listen to the word, to its definition, and then you have to repeat it. That's all the work of today. As you can see, your Friday is quite easy, and you need it. You know, you need to just relax. Remember that we are going, this is extremely important, extremely important. Please don't forget about it. I have already sent you today a link for a very special Zoom live session. I need you to get online, okay? It is a surprise. It is something special that we're going to do for someone that is extremely special, okay? I'm not gonna say it because we're gonna ruin the surprise if I say it, okay? So just make sure to get online today, same hour, It's going to be at 10, from 10 to 10:30. We're going to be doing something special. So please get online. I need you to get online this time. If you don't get online, you're gonna miss this surprise for that special someone, okay? I think you probably know who, but shh, let's keep it as a surprise. It's a secret. Okay, so please get in the link. I already sent it 10 a.m. so we can do it. And that's pretty much it. I love you all. Take care. Have a nice weekend. See you on Monday. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Bye-bye. Teacher Roy signs out.